I'm Russell from mining.com.au, and joining me today is Phil Russo, the Managing Director of Toubani Resources. Phil, how are you?
Shay.
Now, we've got a lot to cover in today's video, but first and foremost, we need to talk about the $10 million capital raise that you've just announced to the market. Congratulations, first and foremost, on being able to raise those kinds of funds in what is a tough market. How did this play out?
It's we've executed an Australian $10 million raise. It's been really well supported by our existing shareholders, but also we've welcomed several Australian resource specialist funds as well. So I think that really is testament to the work that we've been able to complete at Toubani, but also, and I guess most importantly, where we're heading as a company and as a project, which is what we're really excited about is really what's coming up. And I know we'll talk about that in a minute.
Yes, well, adding institutional funds to the register is always a vote of confidence in the direction the company is taking. Now, obviously, adding new institutional funds to the register is a vote of confidence in the direction the company is taking. Tell me, $10 million is a sizable amount. How do you plan on spending these funds?
Yeah, it's putting us in a really strong position to do a couple of things. So we will, once we deliver this feasibility study, which we're growing in excitement and confidence about in terms of elevating Kobada into another tier of an attractive asset in West Africa, is continue that good work towards putting the project to that shovel-ready position. So permitting, convention agreements with Mali, those types of things. But also in parallel, we want to get the rigs going again and continue to grow the project because we have several walk-up targets. So we're going to grow and we're going to keep pushing the project to the finish line in terms of a development decision, which is really a really great mix, I think, for investors, because we're not going to be a boring company ahead. We're going to be news flow rich and some really key milestones coming up to look forward to.
Well, you've just returned from the Kobada Project located in Mali. Tell me, now that you've had your boots on the ground, what are your thoughts?
It's I had a really productive time there in Mali, visiting the site and some high-level government meetings. And I think we're working in partnership with the state of Mali. We're on the same page in terms of where we want Kobada to go. So I look forward to keeping the market updated as those discussions advance over the near to medium term. So this site is ready and you can see it becoming a mine. I must say, when I was in country, you can really see a pathway for this project to become a mine, which is what we're all here to do. So Mali really is two countries within one, but where the industry is and the government is, you would think it's any other desirable destination to push your mining project. So yeah, it was a productive time.
Phil, the Kobada Project has continued to go from strength to strength. And, these latest developments really have emphasized points that you've made in previous videos, that you're here to do the work, you're here to build a mine. And this just, adds to the confidence that as you said, you can see it becoming a mine. You've told me it's going to be news flow rich, mate. I can't wait to see the updates over the next few months. Please keep me posted. Thank you so much for being here.
Shane, thanks a lot.